Hello everyone, good afternoon from Disney's Hollywood Studios, where we are here today to go and ride Rock and Rollercoaster and Muppet Vision, because yesterday Disney announced that both of those areas would be, closing or being reimagined. Muppet Vision is going to be all pretty much demolished or remodeled into Monstropolis. That was announced at the last D23. And then Rock and Rollercoaster, the Muppets are moving to Rock and Rollercoaster, so Aerosmith will be no more at Rock and Rollercoaster, and it is going to be a Muppets-themed attraction. Which, to be honest, Aerosmith have retired now, so it makes sense. It's a shame, but it makes sense. And honestly, if they had to retheme Rock and Rollercoaster to anything, I would choose Muppets. Personally, I think it's a good idea. But let's head down Sunset Boulevard now to Rock and Rollercoaster and try and get on that single rider line. Hollywood Studios actually isn't that busy today. I think it's because it's Jollywood nights. Most people have decided not to come here today. But so it's not too busy. But let's head on over to Rock and Rollercoaster and do the single rider line. So here we are inside of the waiting line inside. It'll be really interesting to see how they retheme it all when the Muppets take over. I don't know when, but they will eventually.
Good company. Wow. All right. Two people. Hey, don't mind us. We'll be finished in just a minute.
Hey. What's that? Hey. What are you guys still doing here? You were supposed to be at a show. Now.
I'd like to introduce our lovely manager.
She's usually not like this.
Yeah, she's usually worse.
I've heard that. Where is my limo? Good. Okay, come on, guys. Please, get in the car. Sorry, folks. We gotta go.
Chris, can you grab my blacklist, Paul?
Hey, wait a minute. We can't leave these people here like this.
We can't?
Oh! Come on, you know how we feel about our fans.
Yeah,
that's right.
Well, guys, what do you expect me to do? Send them all with you?
Steven, how about the backstage passes?
Wait a minute. I love that idea. How about some backstage passes?
Make it happen. Give me some. Okay, I'll make it happen. Now get out of here. I hate all of you.
Have a nice night.
It'll be really interesting to see how they retheme all of this to Muppets. Really interested. But this single rider line has been amazing. I've literally waited about 15 minutes when the normal standby line was about 45. So probably the last time, well, not the last time, but all of this merchandise will very soon, not be sold, But we've got all the drumsticks, Loungefly bags, t-shirts, phone cases, magnets, ornaments, caps. If there's a pin, I might get a pin just to always remember Rock and Rollercoaster. It was the first ever big roller coaster I ever went on. This is a new Spirit jersey. I don't think I've seen this. New Christmas Spirit jersey. So this is the only Rock and Rollercoaster pin I can really find. I might see if they've got a different one over in Disney Springs before I get that one. Because I'm sure in the pin trading store in Disney Springs they'll have maybe a wider selection, but we'll go and have a look later on. But right now, I might head over to Muppet Vision and quickly do Muppet Vision, head over to Muppet's Courtyard and talk about the changes that are coming over there. So I've not eaten anything all day. I'm absolutely starving. So I've come to Rosie's All-American Cafe, and I got myself the bacon cheeseburger, and it comes with French fries. Looks really, really good. So I'm going to eat this, and we're going to head over, quickly do Muppet Vision before Hollywood Studios closes for Jollywood Nights in a couple hours. So Sunset Boulevard looks absolutely beautiful at night with, everything all lit up for Christmas, and looks amazing. Anyway, we're going to head over to Muppet Courtyard and go and do Muppet Vision 3D for like the last time. Well, not maybe not the last time, hopefully not the last time. I don't really know when everything is, closing. But obviously the whole of Muppet Courtyard is going to be, transformed into Monstropolis. So yeah, let's head on over to Muppet Courtyard. So that was absolutely magical to see the Christmas lights turn on here at Hollywood Studios. But now let's head over to Muppet Courtyard and watch Muppet Vision 3D. So it looks like all of the event merchandise for Jollywood Nights is over back here near Muppet's Courtyard. I think it's where they sold all of the 35th anniversary merchandise when Hollywood Studios celebrated their birthday a few months ago. But here right now we are just entering, and by the looks of it there is also another event check-in towards Galaxy's Edge for the after hours event tonight. But Muppet Vision is just over there. Let's head on over now. And here we are in Muppet's Courtyard, all decorated for Christmas. It looks really, really nice. Christmas trees, and all of the lamp poles have got Christmas decorations on too. So it's weird to think that maybe this is going to be the last Christmas here in Muppet's Courtyard, but yeah, all of this area is soon going to be... Whether they're actually going to, demolish the buildings, I don't know. I doubt it, maybe not. Because from looking at the concept images, this, building here can be seen. The Muppets building can be seen. But obviously, inside of the actual building itself, it isn't going to be Muppet Vision 3D anymore. But yeah, let's go and let's head inside Muppet Vision 3D. I've not done it in years, but let's head on in and do it now.
Jim Henson's Muppet Vision 3D. Yeah, good. Yeah.
Don't forget safety of everyone around you. Please no flash photography, video editing, or cell phone usage during the show. No put on the special 3D glasses is permitted in the game. Proudly present Muppet Vision 3D.
So now I've done Rock and Rollercoaster and Muppet Vision 3D. Hopefully not for the last time, but obviously I think towards the end of my program they're going to start shutting those areas down inside the park to make way for these new attractions that are coming here. But right now I'm going to head out of Hollywood Studios. Might head on over to Disney Springs. It's been a while since I've been over there. Have a look in World of Disney, some of the other Disney shops. And just have a look around Disney Springs for a little bit. So I've just arrived at Disney Springs, and look at the absolutely beautiful Christmas tree. Looks absolutely amazing. But what I might do now, it's actually really busy here in Disney Springs. I suppose it is the weekend after all. I'm going to head on over to the little ticketing shop that they have here, and I'm going to try and buy a Jollywood Nights ticket for next week with my cast discount. So I'm going to go and quickly do that, and then we'll go over to World of Disney, look at some of the Christmas merchandise, and yeah, just explore Disney Springs for a little bit. So it was super easy to go to the Disney Ticket Center, and I got my discounted night at Jollywood Nights next week. This is very exciting. Next Saturday I'll be doing that. They're playing the 50th anniversary music. But it's just started to snow here. But right now I'm gonna head over to World of Disney. It is super, super busy here. I'm gonna head on over to World of Disney, look around the shop in there, and then yeah, we'll maybe get some dinner here somewhere. We'll see. Literally everywhere in Disney Springs it's snowing. It looks amazing. Absolutely love it. Literally everywhere you walk it's snowing. But it is really busy. Whether it's because it's Saturday, but there are lines to get into some of the shops. Here we are at the very merry World of Disney. Let's head on in and have a look, see if they've got anything new here. It's been a few weeks since I've been here, so let's head on in. And the Christmas decorations in here are absolutely amazing. It's incredible. So they have an absolutely huge Christmas Starbucks collection. Looks really, really nice. And I really do like this. Like the metallic green, sparkly, like knitted jumper looking kind of tumbler. That's really, really nice. And then obviously they have like these kind of tumblers that are very popular. And they have like a little Christmas ornament decoration version of it too. Very cute. And then here is all of their Christmas collections. They got like Mickey's Cocoa, special Christmas flavors, and then they just got all of the other classic Christmas merchandise. It all looks really, really nice. I mean, I'd like to get some food here from Disney Springs, but the line for everywhere is crazy long. But Blaze Pizza, the line there is a huge line, but it doesn't look like it should be too bad, so I might wait and see how fast it's moving. But I am hungry. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm going to actually bring an end to the video here. I didn't go to Blaze Pizza, just Disney Springs was so busy. So I'm just on the way back to the bus stop here at Disney Springs to get the bus back to Flamingo Crossings. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss any more videos. I still have like just over a month left of my program to go. This last few months have just gone so quick. But today we had lots of fun going to Hollywood Studios, riding Rock and Rollercoaster, seeing Muppet Vision 3D before they both, you know, close and get transformed. But thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.